Hi, my name is Andrew Hoxter. I go by Hox, H-O-X. I play in the South New Jersey, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania Alice in Chains tribute band, Would, W-O-U-L-D, exclamation point. And I play Collision 5BR sticks, and on occasion for softer songs, Collision drum rods. What I like about the Collision brand is their shipping is incredibly fast, especially me being from the States and them being from the UK. I like the durability of both of these sticks. I don't break them that easily. And I like the length. I picked the 5BR because my hands are have a better feel for the longer sticks. And I like the tip, gets a nice ping sound. And I think the arrow on here is pretty neat. You know, you're picking up Collision Drumsticks, you know what drumsticks you're picking up. And what I'm going to play is a clip from my band's first gig in August 2023, doing the Alice in Chains hit Them Bones. So I hope you enjoy it. All right, thanks.